I have consulted with accused number 5.
Yes.
Regarding the delays from prison, my lord.
Yeah.
It is regarding the torture that he's encountering in prison, especially when he has been taken from CIMEX to the maximum without being found in a fault of it. There's a lot of complaint, my lord, of which makes him unable to attend the proceedings. Because of that torture, he has been denied blankets and sheets. It's a lot, my lord. As a result, I'll ask that we adjourn so that I can go to legal aid, see if someone can be able to assist Mr. Ntuli in getting the agent application.
Who's torturing him?
Sorry, my lord?
Who's torturing him?
The what does Mr. Leta, Mr. Leta, who is
Who's
the
that?
head? Mr. Leta,
Leka.
my lord, who is the head at Kgosi Mampuru, where Mr. Ntuli is kept.
How is he torturing him? How is it torturing him? Because you are using the word torture.
Yes, my lord.
So how is it torturing him?
Yes, my lord. As I indicated that, firstly, it was said that he has been found in possession of the cell phone, which is not correct. He has never been found in possession of the cell phone, and as a result of that, he was then removed.
When was he allegedly accused of being found in possession of a cell phone?
During recess, my lord.
I see.
Yes. And then, as a result of that, he was then removed from CIMEX to the maximum center. And when the accused asked for the explanation as to why he is being removed, he was told that he has been found in possession of the cell phone, which is not the truth. And when he asked the evidence to say he was found in possession of the cell phone, he was never given that. And then, where he is kept, my lord, he is denied.
We're still talking about torture. Is that what is entailed in the torture? That he has been found in the possession of a cell phone, and he says, no, it is not true.
Yes.
Produce the proof. They can't. And then he's remanded to CIMEX.
Yes.
From CIMEX to maximum.
Yes, and
that is the torture.
That decision, my lord, amounts to a punishment. To say you are now being punished, you are going to be removed from maximum, from CIMEX to the maximum.
So when was he removed?
My lord, that happened during the recess.
Yeah, but yesterday he was here.
Yes, he was here. My lord, that's why I'm saying that happened during the recess. So
he didn't complain yesterday. He's complaining today.
He's
about what happened in the recess.
Yes, my lord, I'm unpacking as to when it started.
Oh, I see.
Yes. And then now he is being denied communication with his family, communication with his lawyers, and he has been denied blankets and sheets from his bed. So he could not even sleep last night, as I'm told, my lord. That's why I'm saying, my lord, if it can be narrated properly in an affidavit, it will detail further what I have been informed, my lord, other than testifying from the bar.
Mr. Balui? Yeah, let me hear from Mr. Balui.
Thank you, my lord.
Do you know how this happened?
Well, this is now the first time, my lord, that we get to hear about these issues. We just, as I said, we just informed in the morning that the reason for the delay is that accused number 5 is refusing to come out of his cell. We didn't know exactly what the issues are until Advocate Nsololo unpacked those issues. Obviously, the first thing will be to investigate the complaints and with correctional services, and here if perhaps a middle course cannot be found. So maybe we should take the short adjournment. Is 5 to 11. Take the short adjournment and maybe resume at 11:30 and see if we cannot find the way forward, my lord.
Where is Mr. Leka stationed?
Well, according to the information that has just been placed before court, that he's the head of CMEX. The court will recall that Mr. Matala, the head of B Maximum, was here just the other day when the issue of the pads on the ankles rose its head, and yeah, we will just have to liaise with the management of Kgosi Mampuru just to establish exactly what the issues are.
You're saying Mr. Leka, is he at this?
Well, he should be at CMEX.
How far is CMEX from here?
Well, it's what 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Yeah,
drive.
can't you call Mr. Leka?
As the court pleases, we'll arrange with.
Is that the only person who is allegedly torturing your client?
My lord, can I take instruction?
Yeah, please.
My lord, it's Mr. Leda, the head of the CMEX.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's the only person.
That's the only person who is the head.
That's the only person torturing your client.
Yes.
The only person.
Yes.
Okay, let's adjourn. Can you say the gentleman has come as soon as he gets? Okay.